Good morning, guys. My name is Shaveen Asthana. I'm a second year law student from WIPS IP Delhi and an intern at Lexis and Company. So, today I'll be talking about the topic: Does a second wife has a right of maintenance in India? So, according to the marriage laws in India, a person cannot remarry while the first marriage is in subsistence. In such cases, the second marriage contracted by a person is not legal and does not hold any validity in law. But even though the laws in India do not provide so, the practice of second marriage is very common in India. However, in such cases, second wives do not have much rights in law. The Hindu Marriage Act provides that a person can remarry only when neither of them has a spouse living at the time of their marriage. So, what is the problem of second wife? In this entire stigma of the second marriage, the person who suffers the most is the second wife. Legally invalid marriage coupled with the tag of a cheater by the society is very stressful for women. So there are laws relating to bigamy. Bigamy is the second marriage. Bigamy is related to basically the unlawful practice of second marrying. So what is laws relating to bigamy under criminal law? Under section 494 of the IPC, a person who has a spouse living at the time of his second marriage is liable to be punished that this marriage is void. However, in the case when the first marriage of the person was declared void, the person cannot be held liable under this section. However, in case the person have conceded the fact that he is married, in such a case that person can be held liable for cheating, as in the case Bansidhar vs Chabbi Chatterjee. Laws related to bigamy under Evidence Act. The Indian Evidence Act provides that in the presence of any probable facts, the person's conduct and the happening of an event, such are used as the event evidence to prove the existence of marriage. Raghunath Parmeshwar versus Pandya Mali, it was held that if two persons are living as married couple, then even when there is no proof to that effect, the marriage between them is presumed to be valid. So what is the proof of second marriage? In order to prove the second marriage, it is very important that the second marriage was done by all the rituals that are essential according to the customs and practices. Merely a confession that the person has married the second time is not enough. According to the Hindu customs, the performance of Saptapadi and Homa are essential to perform in order to get married. A second marriage can be made void under section 494 only when it has been solemnized and with all the rituals and ceremonies. So what is the maintenance? What are the maintenances of second wife? A wife has the right maintenance under section 125 of CRPC. A wife has the right to ask for the maintenance from her husband in the case of divorce under section 125 or CRPC. If a person has treated that particular person as his wife, then that can be treated as a proof as their marriage. In case of Malika and another versus P. Kulandi, it was held that in the case husband misrepresented his wife's first death in his second wife would have the right to maintenance because he concealed the fact that he was already married. Under Hindu Marriage Act, the law of maintenance has been given under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act. However, this law does not provide for maintenance to the wife of the second marriage, but in cantina of the cases, the courts have given wide interpretation to this section. Now, under section 24, even a second wife can claim maintenance from her husband. Similarly, under section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act, the provisions for permanent alimony has also been interpreted widely by the courts to protect the rights of the second wives. After the marriage is annulled, the second wife has the right to claim for maintenance. In the case of Rajesh Bai versus Shanta Bai, a woman's marriage was declared void because of the subsistence of any previous marriage of her husband. Court held that she also has the right to claim maintenance under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. So, in Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act provides the second wife can claim maintenance from her husband even after she abandoned him when she comes to know that her husband has another wife living. However, this line, another wife living, has been interpreted variously by the different high courts. In the case of Satyanarayana versus Sitharama, it was held that the phrase did not mean that the husband has to be living with his first wife. The existence of first wife without any divorce is sufficient, like their marriage should be subsisting. So other options, the conclusion, I would like to conclude by saying that a second wife has to suffer a lot due to social stigma that is attached to the second marriage. The absence of legal recognition of her marriage is a lot of pain, even though due to the judicial precedent that is available to the maintenance of the second wife, but the absence of a clear provision regarding the maintenance, her claim for maintenance depends on the discretion of the judges. The absence of such laws provided loophole in the Indian law. These are easily exploited by the husband to defend themselves. Therefore, there is a dire need to make the strict law and clear laws for second wives so as to bring them some respite. Thank you.